So what's up, guys? I'm actually at the train station right now. We are about to go head down to the city to go pick up the Apple Airtags right now. Yeah, join me on this journey. It ain't that much of a journey, but y'all already know. It's a nice day out here in New York, but it is windy as hell. But I did just pick up my AirTags, and yeah, now we're on the way home. Oh, I got stuff in my eye. Alright guys, so here we go. As I said before, AirTags, and then the Apple Loop. So, as you see. Oh, let's unbox it, guys. Let's see, sorry, I'm a little with these sometimes. Sometimes, you know, you go a little caveman with these sometimes. I'll be trying to be, like, nice. And sometimes I'll just rip the whole box and just be, like, kind of like on a, you know, like I said, caveman status when you don't really want to be a caveman. But, alright, so open, pull it out. We'll put this to the side. This is, you know, your usual books that you usually get with it. Or Apple branded books. Same thing, another one. Here we go. Apple AirTags. So boom. And boom. It's pretty nice. That is very, very nice. I like how it looks. Right now. Now, you can't really tell, but from here, let's pop it out real quick. I'll give you right there. This is the all white one. So you won't, like, you could get them engraved if you wanted to. Like if you order them off Apple's website, you could get them engraved as well. That is nice. This is, I want to say, almost as slightly bigger than a quarter. Slightly bigger than a quarter. So, you know, it has that. I wonder, so that's that. We'll put this here. You get nothing else in here, so we'll just throw that to the side. Then we will open up, take a look at this, the Apple Air Loop. Let's see, same as that again. Let's open from the bottom. Got the little green tabs, which is crazy because I'm just not noticing that. Usually whenever I get like an Apple product, I usually just rip through the box and call it a day. The majority of the times I don't usually take my products back though from Apple, so yeah, this one's giving me a little bit of a hard time. Hold on, let me get this one real quick. Alright, we got it. Nothing in here as well. As you can see, nothing. Throw that away, throw that to the side. And this is pretty nice right here. This is very, very nice. I'm liking how this looks. It's like a little loop. So I'm guessing you unpop here. So you unpop here. And then once you have it in, you loop there. And then that's it. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. Like I was going to get the keychain one. But I like how this one looks. This one, I like how this is. So I like how this one looks right here. Alright, so take that. Boom, we'll move those out the way. Move that MagSafe wallet out the way. And then what we'll do is pause it. So yeah, like I said, sorry about this overexposure in the background. Like that's like where I'm at right now, but I'm trying to get my face and I'm kind of dark, so you know it's hard to see. But also, what we're doing is we're going to track it. We're going to track to see where it is. I only put it outside just to give you like an understanding of like how it works and how it is. So yeah, let's see. So right now we are looking for it, and as you see right now, what does it say? It is 9 feet away from me. So like I said, I did put it outside, like on my porch area, But look, as I move closer and closer and closer and closer and closer, it's 4 feet. It doesn't say which way, but it gives you, you know, it says connection, signal is weak. Try moving in a different area. Okay, so I had to change it, change the ND filter on the camera. But look, now it says it's 5 feet, which it says the signal is weak. 4 feet, 3, 4 feet, 4 feet. So 3 feet. Then as you go down, slowly as you go down, like where it's at, it says 2 feet, 1, and then it kind of just goes down with you. Like so, like if you're 1 feet away, like how I am, look, as I go back up, it goes back up. And as I go down where it's at, look how it goes. So say 4, 9. And this is just me putting it around here somewhere. You know, some of the best place I can find around somewhere. So there it goes, 1 feet. And that's where it's at. Yeah, guys, so in my opinion, I will say that the Airtags, they're good. They're good to go. They are a good product. It is a good product, I should say, because it is going to help you with finding whatever it is that you had lost. And I feel like this is a good way to track your things, like whether it be a lost key, whether it be a book bag, maybe a camera. You know, this is good because if you put this in your bag, you know, put it away somewhere where nobody can see it, and just so happens, say your bag ever gets stolen or whatever the case is, and it's somewhere where nobody can see it, you can always track that down, always track where it's at, and, you know, find out who took your bag and find out where your stuff is. So I think it's pretty good. It works. It works. Well, I'll give you a better review of it later on, and I hope y'all like the review. I'm new to this. I'm trying. If anything, let me know if there's anything that needs to be done, and I appreciate all the feedback. And that's it for Cracking Tech. My name is JR, and you guys have a blessed day. Later.